Now look at this ugly one. This looks like a man who's screaming like, "Oh, I'm so angry!" Why is he like Wreck-It Ralph, which is Shrek-It Ralph? Hello everyone. Well, I am not gaming anymore, but today I'm going to learn how to cook a fried Oreo because my mama is going to teach me how to do it. She makes a lot of cooking videos you've seen, but I'm now doing this. So now let's begin. First of all, we have all of these ingredients. We have this one's sugar, baking soda, vanilla extract, butter, the liquid, that flour, some Oreos, and an egg. So now what's our first ingredient we should put?
The buttermilk.
Alright, the buttermilk. Maybe it might be this.
Nope.
Oh, so that's buttermilk. And now let's put this. Okay, I think that's enough. Oops. Okay, now the second ingredient is... Okay, we're done with the milky butter. Now, what's our second ingredient?
All the liquid ingredients first, so this one.
Okay, now we have egg. Vanilla extract.
Very good.
Wow, it's gonna... Okay, enough of that vanilla trooper. And now we have this butter, I think. Okay.
Mix it well.
Now I gotta mix it well. Now the next steps are
The sugar.
the sugar. This one's sugar. And then,
The flour.
yeah, that flour. I wonder if I put a lot.
All of it.
Yeah. Oops. That was a pound.
Just stir everything up. Very good.
So that's a lot.
And then
And then the baking soda. And then Oreos, I
nope,
think.
not yet.
But not yet.
This is it. We'll transfer it in a bowl so we can coat this with the batter. Okay?
So now we have to put there some oil. Okay. Dip them and put them on the sides. Make sure that they're swimming right now. Alright, now it's like frying bagels. Okay, we can flip them now because they're gonna burn. Oh, this one's gonna fry a lot. And I wonder why this is good and toxic. Now we should put them on a plate before they're gonna burn right now. Like burn E. Ooh. Yikes. You don't want it to touch your hand on that. Well, I see what's left of it. Okay, now that we're done frying those Oreos, we should plate it and dust it with some powdered sugar. I wonder why we're gonna do this, but I don't know how to do this, but I don't really know how. Oh, okay. I guess we can do it like this. Okay. Now it's taste test time. So look at this. It's definitely, oops. Okay, must not drop the sugar, it's too hot. So now let's give it a bite.
Can you show it to me? Show
Wow,
me.
this is very good. I mean, like, look at the insides. It's now the original Oreo. Alright.
So is it yummy?
Yep, it is yummy.
You like your snacks?
Yep.
You wanna cook it again?
No. This tastes like a crepe. That makes me want to try it. Oh. I don't want to because it's too hot, so. Now look at this ugly one. This looks like a man who's screaming like, oh, I'm so angry. Why is he like Wreck-It Ralph, which is Shrek-It Ralph. Here's why. Mama was trying to cook this, but instead it just looks like the face, I don't know, it still looks a little dirty and...
It looks like Chewbacca.
Perfect! Now it just looks uglier. What have I done? What have I done to this cookie? Anyways. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like me and Mama's cooking videos. So press that like button, the notification bell, and subscribe button. Bye!